Hi, my name's Dan Nielson. I previously worked at the casinos, dealing and supervising. And due to the smoking environment, I had to get out of the casino industry. So now I'm taking up video editing, which I have a background in photography years ago. I used to do photography, but this is a whole different than that in a lot of ways, and it's very interesting. For instance, as far as taking videos, I find that from taking this course, you need a lot of lead-in, you need a lot of extra footage, to edit, to be able to edit, like lead-in. You need more space around you. Before I used to edit, to try to crop my pictures as I took them a lot of times, but now I see that that's best probably afterwards, a lot of editing, so. I like to do a future in video editing, but I'm not sure exactly what direction to take yet. I may maybe work for someone and hone my skills a little better, or maybe even do my own blog or something, something I can make money, possibly, or hopefully, and make a new career out of it. Well, it's through One Stop Career Center, and the list of these schools and courses that look like the best fit for me. So that's why I first learned about. I like the whole thing of editing. It's just it's amazing the tools you have and the stuff you can do. It's like a whole new creative world, so I really enjoy it. I play guitar, photography, stuff like that. Music, I like music, Yeah, possibly in the future. I got to hone my skills in that too a little bit before I did try a few of them, and I realized I got to, up my game there too. So, but but that helps with that too. The video editing. I mean, the videoing, doing the music, you could see where you need work and where you don't need work. So it's great for that too. I guess I faced a little bit of a challenge with the learning curve. I wasn't familiar with a lot of the Google shortcuts and all that, so I had to learn that too, and then apply it to video editing, and a lot of that carries over. A lot of the shortcuts you can use there too, keyboard shortcuts and stuff like that, and the different controls you have in the editing process. I say do it. It's a great class. The teacher's great, very patient, helps you through any questions you have, very knowledgeable. I would say do it. It's a great course. Oh, definitely. I mean, I'm older. I'm at retirement age, and I'm willing to learn and try something new. And it's always good to learn something new, and you might find something you love and make a lifetime passion of it, So, especially if you're young, you could make a whole career out of this. Very good career, very rewarding career, Oh yeah, you have a lot of stuff, a lot of the editing tools you don't realize are there, and a lot of things you can do that you don't realize are available to you that make your work look professional and polished, and very, very well done. I would say it's a great course. Ideal is a great school. And Raj is a great teacher, and I'm loving it, and I'm learning a lot of stuff, and I can't wait to start using it out there and get better and better at it. It's awesome. Have a good day.